My name is Bradford Warden. I'm the Executive Director of the Mon Health Heart and Vascular Center. It's so rewarding to be in Morgantown and know the people that I've known for 50 years and now be able to help them through the rocky times, especially when they're sick. There's lots of times when people come into clinic and they're not having any heart problems, but perhaps they've lost a loved one or somebody's lost a job and so forth. And it's important to spend some time with them and help them, deal with their situation. We have people from all sorts of specialties, including heart surgeons, vascular surgeons, cardiologists, and subspecialists and cardiologists that work together to take care of the patients, so you have the best of the best. The most important thing in the doctor is that they care. We've all graduated from medical school, done residencies and so forth, and have individual talents, but really caring for somebody makes the complete difference.